मङ्गलसमारम्भाम् नित्यानन्देश्वरीमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्ताम् वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। इस समय हमारे साथ उपस्थित सभी दर्शकों और भक्तों को मैं प्रेम एवं आशीर्वाद सहित स्वागत करता हूँ। आज हम जीवन का पहला तत्व संपूर्ति के द्वारा कैसे आप अपनी इच्छा अनुसार अपने जीवन की वास्तविकता को परिवर्तित कर सकते हैं, इसके बारे में बात करेंगे। I'll expand on how the first principle of life Sampurti, listen, first principle of life integrity supports you in transforming your life as you want, manifesting the reality as you want, manifesting your reality as you want. So let me define integrity once again. Integrity is you fulfilling the word and thought you give it to yourself and to others, and experiencing the state of completion with yourself and life. Listen. Let me also define reality. Reality means projecting your life in the outer world also as you want in the inner world, because there is no discrepancy between the inner world and outer world, experiencing the ultimate truth of non-duality. Advaita is reality. Listen. In the inner world, not having any conflict and contradiction about what you want, and projecting that, experiencing it without any contradiction or conflict in the outer world also, because there is no conflict or contradiction in the inner world, and between inner world and outer world, experiencing the non-duality as flow of your very life is reality. I'll translate in Hindi about Sampurti. पहले जीवन का पहला तत्व संपूर्ति की परिभाषा पुनः सुनिए। संपूर्ति का अर्थ है आप स्वयं को और अन्य लोगों को दिए हुए विचार एवं वाक्य को पूर्ण करें और स्वयं एवं जीवन के साथ पूर्णत्व स्थिति का अनुभव करें। Now let me expand on reality so that you will understand how the four principles can be used to make reality as you want. Let me define what is reality. This is a very important definition. Only when you experience this as your reality, you can experience Brahmanyam Bahuputratam. Listen. not having any conflict internally and contradictions internally about what you want to experience as your inner world and outer world, and projecting it powerfully, so powerfully that there is no conflict between your projection and your experience, perception. No conflict, no contradiction. Because there is no conflict and contradiction inside what you want and outside what you are experiencing, feeling the non-duality, Advaita, is reality. First thing, inside itself you have so much of conflict and contradiction. What you really want inside you and outside you. What you really want inside you and outside you. That itself has so much of conflict. Second, because there is a conflict inside, what you project is not able to move the outside as you want. Because when you say you want money, one part of you already says, no, 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 no. I will ask, but you don't give. Because of the conflict, contradictions, unconsciousness inside, what you project also has conflicts, contradictions, unconsciousness outside. Because of that, your perception of the outside world also has unconsciousness, conflicts and contradictions. This is what I call unreality. The confusion of dvandva, duality. I'll translate in Hindi. वास्तविकता का अर्थ है कि आप अपने आंतरिक स्थिति को आपके बाहर इस तरह व्यक्त करे कि आप अपने अंदर एवं बाहर कोई भी संघर्ष अनुभव ना करे, ऐसी बिना द्वंद्व की स्थिति अर्थात अद्वैत स्थिति को अनुभव करना ही वास्तविकता का अर्थ है। वास्तविकता क्या है? आपके भीतर की दुनिया में संघर्ष ना होना एवं उस अनुभव को बाहर की दुनिया में दर्शना। क्योंकि ना ही भीतर की दुनिया में संघर्ष नहीं है और ना ही भीतर और बाहर की दुनिया में संघर्ष नहीं है, इस कारण जीवन के प्रवाह में अद्वैत का अनुभव करना यही वास्तविकता है। Listen. First, you being clear within you how much of wealth you need, how much of responsibilities you need to take for it, what is the way you want to feel you, What is the way you want to project you to others? What all the ways others may perceive you? Having clarity and taking responsibility for all this. So inside you feeling completion, and please listen, the power of your inner completion will be so powerful, I tell you. The moment you project something out of completion, the whole world runs to fulfill it and serve you. You need to know a beautiful story from Prahlada's life. When Prahlada's dad was asking Prahlada, is your Narayana God in this pillar, in that pillar? Is he in this stone? Prahlada was about to raise his small finger. A child naturally takes little time to lift his hand and show which pillar my Narayana is there. I don't even know which finger he showed, or he would have shown. He may not even know how to fold the fingers and show one finger or anything. He must have shown even through face. That is the way kids show. Kids sometimes don't even know how to raise the hand and show. They just show the face. When Prahlada was about to mention the pillar, Narayana started running from Vaikuntha. Lakshmi asked, what happened? Why are you running so fast? What is there to be in so much of a hurry? Vishnu says, no, you don't know. Whatever pillar he shows, I have to enter into that pillar. Wherever he shows, I have to occupy that place and come out. Listen. When a child is established in integrity, just for his hand movement or the direction he shows, God lands. Listen. Whole world moves as you want when you are established in integrity. Prahlada is embodiment of integrity. Nachiketa is embodiment of authenticity. Dhruva is embodiment of responsibility. Markandeya is embodiment of enriching. Prahlada is embodiment of integrity. He was in completion with all the karmas. Prarabdha akamya sanchita. That is why the direction he was turning his face are trying to show, God lands there. Same way, if you are in completion with integrity, without conflict, contradiction, internally, whatever you project on the world is project for the cosmos. Whatever you project on the cosmos is a project for cosmos. Simply does it. Simply cosmos does it. I'll expand in Hindi. कृपया पुनः सुनिए. आपके आंतरिक जगत में जो आप चाहते हैं और जो आप बाहर प्रदर्शित करते हैं और जो आप अंदर एवं बाहर अनुभव करते हैं, उन सभी के बीच में कोई संघर्ष ना होना ही वास्तविकता का सही अर्थ है. जब आप इस अद्वैत स्थिति में रहते हैं, तब आपके अंदर एवं बाहर का हर संघर्ष समाप्त हो जाएगी. कैसे आप अपने आप का अनुभव करना चाहते हैं, कैसे आप अपने आपको दूसरों को दर्शना चाहते हैं, किन किन तारीखों से दूसरे आपका अनुभव करते हैं. जब इन सभी के बारे में आप स्पष्ट है एवं उनका उत्तरदायित्व लेते हैं, आप पूर्णत्व का अनुभव करते हैं. ओह, इतना शक्तिशाली होगा कि पूर्ण ब्रह्मांड इसे वास्तविकता बनाने के लिए काम करता है. When you are integrated and project on the outer world obeys you just like that. It obeys you just like that. Power of integrity. Please listen. Nothing is political in the planet Earth. Means nothing is accidental in the planet Earth. Everything runs with these four principles. How much ever you doubt, no. Some of the fellows who are head of the country's statesmen, are they integrated? Are they authentic? Are they responsible? Are they enriching? How come they are having whatever they want? No. First thing, they may be amazingly integrated, authentic, the way you never expected them. Second, they may not be having what they want. They may be having what you want. You may be having what they want. Understand? They having what you want does not make them big. It makes them big for you, but not for them. Many times, people are big for you, but not for them. That is the most funnier things in the world. Whom you perceive as two big guys, when you touch the right spot, suddenly you will see they are hollow, empty inside. Whom you think sometime empty, hollow, nothing, will be very clear and very integrated, very authentic, very responsible. So you need to know, how much ever you argue, try to convince yourself and others. Sun cannot be conquered by cloud, even though it can show as if it can cover it. Same way, cosmos, world, humanity, society, everything runs with these four principles, with this dharma. Everything runs. So let your thought cloud not declare the victory. Sometime in the cloud you will see a great warrior on the horse. That fellow comes and tries to cover the sun and declares victory over the sun, showing his sword. Without realizing, in few minutes his whole body will be disintegrated. Your logic also sometimes comes and shows the sword and claims victory, declares victory. I proved world does not run by these four principles. These four principles are not truths. Before even you lower your sword, your hand is missing. Before you complete your declaration of victory, your body is missing. World runs only by these four principles. World runs only by these four principles. If you are in complete integrity with you, you can just project what you want. And I tell you, simply the world listens. I can see in my own life, when I just say, from my own experience, simply things happen. I'll give the essence in Hindi. भक्त प्रहलाद संपूर्ति का एक अद्भुत उदाहरण है। जब प्रहलाद के पिता ने प्रहलाद को पूछा कि नारायण कहाँ है, तब प्रहलाद ने एक स्तंभ को दिखाकर कहा, नारायण इस स्तंभ में है। तब नारायण वैकुंठ से भाग कर उस स्तंभ में आ बसे। प्रहलाद की मात्रा एक वाक्य से स्वयं नारायण भी बंद गए और वे भाग कर प्रहलाद की वचन को सत्य बनाने के लिए उस स्तंभ में आकर बस गए। जब आप संपूर्ति में स्थित होते हैं, तब पूरी जगत आपके लिए अपनी गति बदलकर चलने लगती है, स्वयं भगवान भी। अगर आप बिना संघर्ष या आंतरिक और बाह्य विरोधाभास के साथ संपूर्ति में पूर्णतः स्थित है, आप जो भी ब्रह्मांड में व्यक्त करते हैं वह ब्रह्मांड के लिए एक परियोजना हो जाती है। प्रहलाद is embodiment of integrity. प्रहलाद संपूर्ति के अवतार है। नचिकेता श्रद्धा के अवतार है। ध्रुव जिम्मेदारी के अवतार है। मार्कंडेय लाभान्वित करने की सिद्धांत के अवतार है। बादल सूरज को छिपा नहीं सकता। आपके सोच विचारा के बादल को आपके सूरज समान संपूर्ति को छिपा नहीं सकता। जब आप संपूर्ति की स्थिति में है और अपने आप को बाहरी दुनिया में दर्शाते हैं, तो बाहरी दुनिया आपकी आज्ञा का पालन बस यो ही करती है। सूर्य कभी बादल से ढका नहीं जा सकता है। इन चार तत्वों के सूर्य को अपनी तर्क के बादल द्वारा ना ढकने दीजिए, ढकने दीजिए। होल वर्ल्ड listens to you when you project your what you want, your reality out of completion। संपूर्ति की शक्ति से पूरी ब्रह्मांड आपका आज्ञा का पालन करता है। When you are in completion and project to the world, you see that becoming reality, and your inside is in completion, outside is in completion. When both are in completion, the experience of you and your life does not have any conflict or contradiction. That is what I call flow of Advaita, flow of non-duality. When the flow of non-duality becomes your reality, only then you can realize that you are the favorite inheritor of the cosmos. Brahmanyam Bhaguputratam. You always feel it is a remote possibility in your life, if at all possible, which is not true. You need to know you can complete now. You do not need to take years to complete the incompletion you created for years. Declare now you are complete, and you will complete. जब आप पूर्णत्व के स्थिति में होते हैं और आप पे आपके अंदर एवं बाहर पूर्णत्व स्थिति में रहते हैं और आप अपने अंदर एवं बाहर कोई भी संघर्ष को अनुभव नहीं करते हैं, तब आप जीवन की धारा में सरलता से बहने लगते हैं। The principles of life, principles of life are eternal. They are eternal. First thing you need to do, declare you are complete inside. Declare you are complete inside. And out of that completion, project the world and see that what you want is becoming reality. जब आप पूर्णत्व की स्थिति में हैं और उसी बारी दुनिया में दर्शाते हैं और उसी वास्तविकता में बदलते हुए देखते हैं, जब आपकी भीतरी दुनिया में पूर्णत्व का अनुभव करते हैं, तो आप और आपके जीवन में संघर्ष अनुभव नहीं करते हैं। उसी को मैं अद्वैत का प्रवाह के रहा हूं, तभी आप ब्रह्मण्यम बहुपुत्र धाम का अनुभव करते हैं। जीवन के यह चार तत्व अनंत एवं निरंतर है। पहली चीज जो आपको करना है वह है आप घोषणा करें कि आपके अंदर आप पूर्णत्व स्थिति को अनुभव कर रहे हैं। तब आप आपके बाहर जो भी व्यक्त करेंगे वह सत्य में बदल जाएगा। Listen. Creating your reality is a science. Every human being, the moment he landed on the planet Earth, should be taught to create your own reality. Create what you want. This should be the syllabus in our Gurukul, in our Vidyalayas, in all levels. Every child joins in our Vidyalaya, in our Gurukul, should be given the basic lessons on how to create your life, your reality. Listen. When you are feeling tired or bored and you are entertaining it, cherishing it, you are relaying that same waves and projecting that same thing on the world. World also behaves with you in a tired and bored way. Listen, I am making a statement. Every rupee you spend is a vote you are casting for the world, the future of the world as you want it to happen. Listen. Every rupee you are spending is a vote you are casting to the world the way you want it in future. How many of you are cognizing it? Every rupee you are spending, you are casting a vote to the way the world should be in future. If you are spending all your money in gold, feeling the gold price is going to go up, it will be safety for your future. You are voting for that concept of gold, and naturally you are raising the value of it for your future. If all of us suddenly decide the jeans is going to be the most costliest item in the future, that is going to decide the power of currency in the future, let us all invest on jeans and store it. From tomorrow, the jeans will have the value of gold. And if all of us decide the pebble is going to be really a rare commodity, all of us like it, but supply is very limited, suddenly it is going to go up more valuable than diamond. Listen, every rupee you spend is a vote you are casting for the future of the world, expecting how the future of the world should be. Every rupee you save in the bank also is a vote you are casting. Means you trust only currency, not the objects. That is also vote you are casting. So understand, the whole thing is democracy. What is democracy? Democracy means the projection of the individual becoming reality for the individual is democracy. Domesticating the craziness of the world is democracy. This is one of the important statements I made. Please listen. Every rupee you are spending is a vote you are casting to the world the way you want the future of the world. Whether you are storing it in the bank, or you are putting it in the real estate, or you are putting it in the gold, or you are putting it in the some other mode of investment, or you are just spending it. हर रुपया जो आप खर्च करते हैं वो आपका भविष्य कैसे होना चाहिए, इस चुनाव में आपका वोट है. If you are in the field of economy, you will understand this insight. Economy and enlightenment together can be realized, understood, solved with these four principles. Enlightenment is the individual's reserve bank. Economy is cosmic enlightenment. For an individual, what he experiences as enlightenment, if his economy is complete, that is what he considers as enlightenment, even though it is not enlightenment. Same way, collectively also, we consider our economy as the completion, fulfillment. No. वास्तविकता को व्यक्त करके उसको सत्य में बदलना एक अनोखा शास्त्र है. हर बालक को पाठशालाओं में यह शिक्षा मिलनी चाहिए कि वो अपनी जीवन की वास्तविकता को अपने अनुसार कैसे परिवर्तित कर सकते हैं, परिवर्तित कर सकता है. Listen. If you are spending your money in building ashrams and temples, saying that is going to be the important need for the future, you are voting for that idea that is going to become important need of future. I know this 45 minutes is not enough for me to. In the 45 minutes, I only just break the honeycombs, not able to squeeze the honey completely and give you. Only just breaking few honeycombs. Whatever drips, you can catch it by yourself. But anyhow, within 3 days, we are starting the satsang. We are going for the satsang. From 8 to 9, we will have 1 hour and half an hour calls. आज की सत्संग का सारांश है, आप अपने अंदर एवं बाहर पहले पूर्णत्व स्थिति को लाइए, तब आप अपने अंदर एवं बाहर संपूर्ति की स्थिति में स्थिर होकर अपना हर प्रतिक्रिया व्यक्त कीजिए। तब आप देखेंगे कि आप अपनी इच्छा अनुसार पूरा जगत का गति को बदल सकते हैं और अपनी मन पसंद वास्तविकता का अनुभव कर सकते हैं। कल के सत्संग में हम जीवन का टुमारो सत्संग I'll expand on the same principle and the same truth, because still I have not completed how the integrity itself can lead you to ultimate experience of Advaita Brahmanyam Bahuputratam। कल हम इस विषय को और आगे बताएंगे कि संपूर्ति की स्थिति कैसे आपको अद्वैत स्थिति में स्थापित कर सकता है।
जीवन मुक्ति प्रदं देवं क्षमापूर्णं जगद्गुरुं वन्दे परमहंसाख्यं नित्यानन्दाय स्वागतम्। आनन्दानुभवास्वादं सर्वरोगनिवारकं वन्दे पापविनाशक्तं नित्यानन्दाय स्वागतम्। आनन्दानुभवास्वादं सर्वरोगनिवारकं वन्दे पापविनाशक्तं